Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Astro Tara. Today we are going to talk about healing properties of Mystic Topaz. Mystic Topaz, as its name contemplate, holding the mystic energies that help to hearten the connection with the cleric and gain the higher spiritual self. The energies of the stone too serve to build a link between the inner self as well as with the grounding energies of the nature to understand the secret of life in the universe. It likewise boosts up the morale to face the challenges of the lifespan and heighten the faith for trusting your religion and follow the religious beliefs. It too enhances spiritualism by strengthening the connection of the soul with the cleric and the energies of the cosmos. Mystic energies of the mystic topaz open up the heart and help to imbibe the constructive energies from the surrounding aura to think optimistically as well as react to the circumstances sanguinely. It too builds trust and boosts up the ability to provoke the feeling of trust among people related to the soul and spirit. The resonating energies of the mystic topaz mainly depend on the prominent color of the stone and accordingly help to maintain an equilibrium with the surroundings. If the color is blue, the vibrant energies of the stone help to balance self in addition to the intellectual and emotional self. Further, it balances the related chakras for attaining an equilibrium. The golden tint of the stone is predisposed to bring opulence and riches in the span of life. Green holds the propensity to heal the wounded emotions as well as protect the emotional heart from any harm by releasing the negativity gained from the hurtful past. While red endorses the feeling of trust and opens the heart to accept the life as it is but in a positive way. Notice the physical healing properties. It is a gem nugget that kindles heart and metabolic rate that heals the overall torso in addition to the digestive system. It too enhances the taste buds and bestow the ability to hold an intelligence of taste. The vitality of this gem too regulates the flow of blood to elevate the issues related to blood and blood cells, damaged tissues. It too cures the issues related to the intellectual torso by easing anxiety from the intellect. Mystic topaz too instigate artistic ability and the strength that keeps the soul young and lively. The energies of the stone moreover proffer strength to control the functioning of the glands including the thyroid gland. It too combats the eating disorders. Physical healing. The mystic vibes of this mystic topaz hold the various tints that not only cleans the overall torso but too heals it. The energies of the stone proffer the strength to control the functioning of the glands including the thyroid gland. It too helps to maintain the overall health by keeping the soul in good health. Mystic topaz is considered to fuel up the endocrine system as well as backing up the general tissue regeneration. It is too assessed as a valuable gemstone in treating hemorrhoids. Furthermore, it too fights blood disorders as well as enhance the poor appetite. It too augments the fertility in women. Emotional healing. The rainbow hues of the mystic topaz holds the propensity to heal the emotional wounds gained from the past as well as help to utilize the hidden talents to live the life to the fullest. It too brings luck in life and root out the negativity from the emotional heart gained by facing the hurtful past. Further, the colorful vibes of the stone help to augment the relationship, moreover intensify kindness along with the compassion. The potency of the stone to contemplate to infuse awareness to handle the situations in addition to the twists and turns of life. The positive vibes of the stone infuse constructive thoughts and the feelings to deal with the things in a positive manner. It too speculate to soothe the emotional heart along with the surrounding environment, furthermore help to accomplish the goals in the desired way. The mystic power of this captivating mystic topaz opens up the heart to imbibe enthusiasm and awareness to learn the unlearned things from the span of life. It likewise helps to know the deep self by augmenting the inner potential to search for the true desires for living the prosperous life. The energies of the mystic topaz too help to understand the hidden meaning of life as well as the hidden potential of the energies of the universe. Mystic topaz too dole out the feeling of depression, anxiety along with the sentiments of sorrow and concern. Spiritual healing. Aside from healing the intellectual torso along with the emotional and physical, it too heals and aligns all the chakras for attaining the highest self. The reverberating energies of the mystic topaz too help to connect the spiritual self with the energies of the cosmos. The varied hues of the rainbow likewise bestow openness as well as help to control and express self effectively. It is a gem nugget that inspires creativity, proffers strength as well as keeps faith in the divine powers. The energies of the stone help to clean the blockages and maintains the proper flow of energies. It's too supposed to advance the willpower, as of its grounding energies. By cutting down the emotional pressures, this rainbow of colors is an energy purifier of the body. With the constant infusion of the light, it is best to reduce unhappiness for it contributes to the spiritual way of life. As a stone of vision, it assists the wearer in his subconscious mind to explore the karmic life. Heals and balances chakra. The colorful vibes of this mystic topaz assist to trigger the throat and third eye chakra in addition to the crown chakra of the torso. The vibrating color energies of the gem stimulate the chakras to serve to attain the higher self and align the self with the energies of the cosmos as well as the earth. The activated chakras to augment and open up the intuitive abilities for knowing the situations and working accordingly. Throat chakra assessed to be associated with the voice, so the triggered chakra helped to enhance the communication skills and the potency to communicate self effectively. It too serves to express the emotions with a weightage. The third eye chakra, that often reflected as a brow chakra, helps the soul to direct his vision towards the awareness of the universe. The vibrating and charismatic energies of the mystic topaz likewise turn on the crown chakra to open the psychic gateway for universal expansion and help to know the destiny destined by the clair. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do share, like, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day and wonderful year.